This we are going on Indian Evidence Act. So one more topic we will read today. It is document and evidence. Okay, we will teach today evidence and document. So it is coming under interpretation of clause section 3. Okay, let's start. Document. What the definition of a document? Document means any matter expressed or described upon any substance by means of letters, figures or marks, or by more one of those means intended to be used for the purpose of recording that matter. Okay. So document means any matter which is expressed or described upon any substance. Suppose there is a substance and it is there any matter expressed or described, that is a document, by means of letters, figures or marks, or by more one of those means. Okay, by means of letters, figures or marks. In these, either letters, figures or marks, we will express or describe some substance, describe something on that substance, that is a document. More, or it may be more one of those means, either letter, figure or marks, or one of more those means it will be. Okay, intended to be used for the purpose of recording that matter. So what is it intended? Document intended to be used for the purpose of recording that matter. If we want to record something, if we want to save or keep something properly, so that is a document. Means any matter expressed or described upon any substance by means of letter, figure or marks, or by more one of those means. Either we can express or describe any substance by means of letter, figure or mark, or more one of those means. Instead of that also, any more one those means also, we can express or describe anything. Okay, any substance. For what? For the purpose of recording that matter. If you want to recording some matter, so we have to express or describe upon any substance by means of letter, figures or marks, or more one of those means. Okay, so for the purpose of recording that matters, to keep save all the matters, that is a document. So illustration, a writing is a document. A writing, suppose we have written something in a paper, that is also a document. Words printed, lithographed or photographed are documents. Words. If we will printed something, lithographed or photographed are all documents. There is a photograph, that is also a document. Words printed, that is also a document. So these all are document for the purpose of recording that matter. Okay, either writing is a document, words printed, lithographed or photographed are document. A map or plan is a document. Suppose there is a map, Indian map. There is a map for different things, like we will planning for some building, we are planning for some mall and some different countries map. Okay, and the road map, all that are documents. Map or plan is a document, that is also coming under document. An inscription on a metal plate or stone is a document. Suppose there is an inscription on metal plate. There is an inscription, something valuable things in a metal plate or a stone is also a document. Something we written on a metal plate or a stone, that is also a document. A caricature is a document. Suppose in figure or in cartoon we are expressing something. A caricature, that means anything full or fun type of cartoon or anything like figure type of things, that is a caricature, is a document. That is also a document. So a writing is a document. We written something on a paper, that is a document. Words printed, lithographed or photographed are all document. And a map or plan is a document. Map also a document. Plan, something plan, we are planning for something like a mall, like some buildings, that all are document. Okay, an inscription on a metal plate or stone is a document. Suppose we are doing something, we are writing something in a inscription on a metal plate or a stone, that is also a document. A caricature is a document. Suppose a caricature, we are doing some cartoon and a figure, so explaining something through a cartoon or a figure, that is also a document. Okay, now so now we'll go to another word topic, evidence. Evidence means and includes. If what it means evidence. Evidence means and includes. Okay. Evidence are of two types. One is oral evidence, another is documentary evidence. Suppose we are telling something, we are speaking something, that is oral evidence. We are speaking through our mouth, that is oral evidence. But when we are submitting something in a court through document, like something paper or something it is related to document, that is documentary evidence. That is written thing, and that is documentary evidence. But we are speaking something in a court, that is oral evidence. Though evidence are of two types, one is oral evidence, another is documentary evidence. One oral evidence, what it explains, all statements which the court permits, all statement which court permits or requires to be made before it by witnesses in relation to matter of a fact under inquiry. Suppose there is an inquiry in a court, okay, and some one witness saw something near any offense or near any murder, yeah, anything related to offense. There is a witness, he saw something, so he want to speak something that I saw that one. So whatever he is speaking in his mouth, that is a oral evidence in court. If a witness coming to the court and speaking something, that is oral evidence by mouth. If he express something on mouth, that is an oral evidence. That is an oral evidence. Okay. All statement which the court permits or requires to be made before it by witness in relation to matter of fact under inquiry. Suppose some person want to explain some fact in inquiry in a court. So that matter, if he given the statements, that is known as oral evidence. Okay. And now it is come to documentary evidence. Another type of evidence is documentary evidence. All documents including electronic records produced for inspection of the court. Suppose court asked for inspection some records that are all documents including electronic records. Suppose we send some mail to somebody. If any record inside the electronic, like in computer, through computer we want to produce anything, that all documents including electronic record, including all computer related records and all documents which is written, that document, any plan, any inscription, any caricature related to document, if it is produced in court for any matter, any fact inquiry, that is known as documentary evidence. So all documents including electronic records produced for inspection of the court. Suppose court want to know any inspection through the document, then that is known as documentary evidence. So this document and evidence is over. Now next class we will go to another topic. Okay. If you really like my teaching, please subscribe it and please share to your friends. Okay. Thanks for watching.